This is the first time I saw these Chinese people talk good English. You know, when they come out, they pretend as if they don't understand English. Now lie, you. Now lie. So I thank God this man, call the man for me. Call the man for me. I thank God you hear English. This is the first time I see you hear somebody speaking English. Let me tell you, I'm not interested where you're for water power, you're not for water power. This job is 6 months. The money, I paid you the mobilization, we're paying you money again next week. You have to finish this job. If you like, go and bring your superpower, no superpower here. Do you understand me? So don't tell me, we don't do variation here. Do you understand me? I thank God to say you understand. So make sure I'm going to commission these roads before I leave May 29, 2023. I'm not going to leave anything for my successor. Let him start with his own problem. Let me go with my own problem. Everybody carry a problem and go. Luckily, the deputy is here. So don't say, oh, the man left so many problems for us. I don't leave any problem for now. Any problem I want to see that I'm going to solve. Me, I resolve my own now. Right? And we'll go. And I need to ever talk small like this.